Hello, my name is Sherrod Seward, and I'm a FOIA litigation attorney with Innovative Immigration Law. And what we traditionally did was immigration law and learn FOIA requests through a lot of times having to ask for information this way instead of getting it directly from the government when our clients unfortunately had denials and other weird situations. Today, I'm discussing another application for doing FOIA request and litigation, which is with the Department of Justice. Of course, the Department of Justice is a federal agency that enforces federal law. And when doing so, they obtain a lot of information and data that may be helpful to you in your particular situation or just for research purposes. Oftentimes, for example, on the individual side, there may be a person that's looking for immigration benefits, and they get denied those immigration benefits based on information that the Department of Justice has. Even if they don't have a conviction, it's more like the Department of Justice may have supplied some information to Department of Homeland Security or Customs and Border Patrol that you don't even know what it is and may not be even correct. And that's the reason why you didn't get a visitor visa or another immigration benefit. The other time when it comes up a lot is in cases of maybe civil social justice accountability. As we know, there is disparaging, not disparaging, but there's discongruent enforcement all the time when it comes to either justice or even business things where it's related to taxes, white collar crimes, things of that nature, to where the way that the law is applied and prosecuted might not be the same across the board. And so for that reason, that's another place with the Department of Justice where it might make sense to request a FOIA request on information that's not privy to you or available through public domain. And then if they do not give that information within 20 days or fully deny giving that information, you have the opportunity to appeal, which is usually done by mail. And then after that, if it's still not providing the information that you need, you can go to file federal litigation. And anytime after there's been 20 days with no response, or 20 days after the exhaustion of remedies, which would be the appeal, you do have that opportunity and option and right to pursue the information in federal court, which is usually done through the filing of a complaint first and then follow-up motions. Typically, when we're doing this type of work for clients, we charge a flat fee that takes you through the whole process upfront as a retainer. And then if it goes over time, if we are successful, we're able to pull the rest of our time fees from the other party. So the government party, if they do not prevail, and we do, and we go over our time spent on retainer, we can go and recover fees from the opposing party, which would be the federal government, because there is a push out there and a desire for the government to be transparent and to be fair when it comes to Freedom of Information Act requests. So if you are in a situation where you could benefit from having an extra set of eyes, getting information for you from the Department of Justice, do not hesitate to call our law firm and set up a consultation. We'll be happy to work with you and helpful to, be helpful to government transparency as a whole. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope we can be of service for you in the near future.